Inside one of the world's most powerful Belgian blue muscle processing factories, thousands of tons move through this industrial giant every single day.
From massive Belgian blue cattle farms to fully automated industrial production. This is how in Belgian blue muscle processing, everything begins on the quiet, open farms. Every animal is carefully checked before entering the system.
Of tastrets. Nutrition control ensures consistent muscle development.
Health certification begins long before processing starts. Preparation leads the herd toward controlled transport. Transport marks the shift from farm to industrial facility. The journey connects farms to modern processing plants. Every convoy arrives at a highly controlled facility. Strict entry systems ensure controlled processing flow.
Inside the facility, the process is ready to begin.
In Belgian blue muscle processing, transport flows directly into controlled interiors.
Each animal is guided through structured pathways.
Flow systems ensure smooth and stress-free movement.
Timing is controlled with precision at every step. Every animal is digitally tracked from entry onward.
Automation directs flow with absolute accuracy. Human oversight ensures smooth system coordination.
From above, the entire flow is monitored in real time.
The system prepares for core transformation stages.
Inside lies the heart of modern Belgian blue muscle processing. In Belgian blue muscle processing, even core halls connect seamlessly to external control zones. Outside, the scale of Belgian blue muscle processing becomes fully visible. Every section of the facility is engineered for controlled flow.
Access to the core is strictly regulated and timed.
Every worker enters through controlled sanitation systems. Clean entry ensures strict hygiene compliance.
Materials flow continuously between exterior and core systems.
Heavy logistic support keeps the system in motion. All pathways converge into a unified processing system. The process now moves into full industrial preparation stages.
Inside Belgian blue muscle processing, the cleaning stage begins with full automation. Every surface is prepared through controlled pre-wash systems.
Industrial washing ensures strict cleanliness standards.
Excess moisture is removed before inspection begins.
Every unit is visually verified before classification. Automation categorizes every item with precision. Sorting systems divide materials for specialized processing.
Higher grade materials are routed for refined processing.
Non-conforming materials are separated instantly.
Prepared materials now enter the transformation phase.
In Belgian blue muscle processing, the core stage begins with controlled industrial transformation.
Precision machines ensure uniform processing at every step. Material streams are separated for specialized refinement.
Refinement systems standardize consistency across every batch. Controlled pressure defines the structural consistency of output. Thermal stabilization ensures structural integrity.
Cooling systems prepare materials for automated refinement.
Every unit is balanced for industrial uniformity. Alignment ensures seamless transition into automation systems.
The system now advances into full automation control.
In Belgian Blue muscle processing, the transformation stage is fully automated.
Every movement is executed with machine precision and timing. Hydraulic systems define structure and uniformity. Environmental control ensures perfect processing stability. Refinement systems ensure uniform structural texture. Precision cutting prepares each unit for final classification.
All processing lines converge into unified flow control. Pressure balance ensures perfect industrial consistency.
Final conditioning prepares materials for finishing precision.
Now the system enters its most precise finishing stage.
In Belgian Blue muscle processing, automation reaches its highest precision layer. AI systems inspect every detail in real time.
Robots execute sorting decisions instantly and accurately.
Every movement is controlled by intelligent systems.
Human oversight guides the intelligence behind the machines.
Quality deviations are removed instantly from the system.
Microscopic adjustments ensure industrial perfection. The entire system moves like a single intelligent organism.
Preparation begins for final finishing integration.
Now the process advances into precision finishing systems. In Belgian Blue muscle processing, finishing begins with extreme precision.
Every surface is refined to consistent industrial standards. Precision measurement ensures perfect uniformity.
Even the smallest imperfections are corrected instantly.
Each unit is balanced for exact production standards. Robotic systems perfect every final contour. Alignment ensures flawless packaging preparation.
Human verification confirms machine precision.
Final sterilization guarantees controlled purity standards. Now the process enters strict quality verification systems. Every sample is tested for microscopic consistency and safety.
Chemical balance is verified through advanced instrumentation.
All results converge in centralized quality control systems.
Chemical balance is verified through advanced instrumentation.
Temperature resistance ensures durability across conditions. Human oversight confirms automated precision. Certified batches are cleared for final packaging.
Now the process moves toward final packaging and distribution.
In Belgian Blue mussel processing, final packaging begins in a fully automated hall.
Every unit is sealed with industrial precision and consistency. Traceability is embedded into every packaged unit.
Human verification confirms every final package before storage.
Robots organize finished products into transport-ready pallets.
Storage ensures stability before global distribution.
Every pallet moves under strict logistical coordination. Distribution begins as trucks are loaded for global delivery. From factory floor to global destinations, the journey continues.
And this is how modern Belgian blue mussel processing is completed from start to finish.